Hey, it's Chris O'Halloran with Takeoff Software. This video, I'm just going to show you how our wall modifier feature works. So what I've got here is I've measured out the external walls of my building. Now right now this is a linear meterage calculation or linear feet calculation, but I want to turn that into an area calculation. So I can do that really simply by coming in here and using our height modifier. Now to confirm the height, I can come into a section. Okay, I know my ceiling joinery height is going to be 2.4 and my ceiling level is going to be 2.7. So I go back now to my height modifier. This is the external wall, so I'm going to go in and put in 2.7. And if you watch this measurement here, the 54.18 meters, that's a linear meterage. As soon as I hit enter, that's now gone and converted that into an area calculation. So it's now 146.28 square meters. Thanks for watching. Bye.